Hello everyone.
大家好。
This episode shares how to create page connectors for different pages in OrCAD. There are two types of commonly used page connectors in OrCAD. One is port, and the other is off-page connector. The port type includes 4 different forms.
如大家在上面所看到
Port
的
both
4
L,
类型的
port both R,
port。另外一种也就是
Port left L
我们经常所使用
and
的
port left R
off
respectively.
page 跨页符号。那么以上面的4种符号，
The
主要
off-page
是
connector
针
has
对于
only two
我
forms.
们的层级或者模块化
Off-page
设
left
计
L
类
and
的
off-page left R.
情况下使用。那么 off page 主要是针对于我们的平面式
Port is
设计
mainly used in hierarchical schematic or modular schematic design
经
scenarios,
常出现的配置1到配置
while off-page connector is mainly adopted for flat or tiled designs.
情况。
You can select place port or place off-page connector from the shortcut icons on the right.
调用 place off page connect 来实现。它们通常位于我们所使用的
Click either of the two shortcut icons.
库当中。那么
In the
如果
pop-up
大家
window,
出现了找不到库的情况下面，我们可以直接来到我们的
you can notice that the
Cadence
library where they are
安装目录包
located is
如视
capsim.
频中
old.
所演示的一
If you cannot find the graphic symbols of off-page or port during use, you can manually add capsim old to the corresponding window by selecting the Add Library button. The capsim old file is located in the Tools Capture Library path. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.
讲解。
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.